IFA 2023 kicked off with a bang as Zepp Health unveiled the Amazfit Balance, a smartwatch that redefines the usual health metrics by taking a holistic approach to well-being. Amazfit emphasizes achieving equilibrium between work, life, and wellness, and to aid in this journey, the watch boasts not only advanced AI software, but also an array of sensors. Eager to explore its capabilities, we swiftly adorned the Amazfit Balance on our wrist, and now let us share our first-hand experience with this innovative timepiece. Let's start with the design. You have a choice between two enticing options with the Amazfit Balance. One adorned with a silver bezel and a stylish fabric strap, while the other exudes a sporty vibe in black with a silicone band. Currently putting the former to the test, we must say it's a visual delight. The strap carries a touch of rustic charm, almost resembling a subtle tartan pattern, creating a captivating contrast with a sleek watch face. The large, flat-fronted 1.5-inch AMOLED display, accompanied by the digital crown and a customizable button, adds to the overall allure. It's also 5 ATM water-resistant, making it suitable for activities like swimming or jogging in the rain. Securing the Amazfit Balance is a breeze with its Velcro closure, featuring a sophisticated and slimline design reminiscent of high-end Velcro cable organizers. The clever construction ensures that the two ends of the strap stay seamlessly connected, allowing you to effortlessly slip it on or off like a bangle and then snugly tighten it to your liking. This not only simplifies the process of putting it on and taking it off, but also adds to the comfort factor. The stretchy material not only aids in the ease of wear, but also ensures a comfortable fit even when the strap is snugly fastened. The initial impression the Amazfit Balance left me with was its remarkable slimness and feather-light feel. Adorning the Balance felt like a delightful change, and despite the marginal weight difference of around 10 grams, the impact on my wrist was undeniably discernible. True to its flagship status in the Amazfit lineup, the Balance does not hold back on sensors to monitor your fitness metrics. The Balance incorporates advanced technology featuring an enhanced dual LED and 8PD BioTracker 5.0 ppg biometric optical sensor. Zepp Health describes it as a successor, inheriting the legacy from the Amazfit GTR and GTS smartwatches family. While the future of the GT series remains uncertain as of right now, the Amazfit Balance introduces intriguing new features that set it apart. Picture waking up and instantly gauging your body and mind's readiness for the day ahead. The Amazfit Balance transforms this into reality through its readiness feature, reminiscent of the training readiness functionality seen in select Garmin watches, Fitbits, and Whoop. It's not just a random number though, it's a holistic score derived from a blend of sleep indicators and expert-driven research. Developed in collaboration with sleep medicine experts including Dr. Lisa Meltzer, the metric aims to offer actionable insights. Let your readiness score serve as your compass, guiding you on whether to tackle the day with vigor or opt for a more relaxed approach. The Amazfit Balance goes beyond merely monitoring your well-being. It actively steers you towards a healthier lifestyle. Thanks to Zepp Aura, the device's AI-powered wellness service, you'll enjoy personalized sleep guidance and relaxation tools. Instead of being a standard feature on the watch, it comes as a part of a subscription service available through the Zepp app. Users can enjoy a complimentary 3-month trial when they sign up for an annual subscription. What truly distinguishes this device is its Chat AI, which offers fitness and sleep coaching. Far from generic advice, these are custom-tailored responses addressing your individual queries, injecting a level of interactivity and personalization into your wellness journey. It's important to note that the Sports AI chatbot is no longer bundled with Zepp Coach. Instead, users can access it by signing up for Zepp Fitness membership within the Zepp app. As an added bonus, Balance users can enjoy a complimentary 3-month trial of the subscription service. Also, Balance has the ability to automatically recognize 8 different sports movements. Additionally, when the user engages in the strength training sports mode, it goes above and beyond by automatically detecting 25 specific strength training exercises. Adding an intriguing dimension, the Amazfit Balance goes beyond the conventional focus on metrics like heart rate and step count found in most wearables. This device offers comprehensive body composition measurements right from your wrist. As per the press release, it claims to assess body fat percentage, skeletal muscle, water, bone mass, protein, BMI, and basal metabolism specifically from the upper body. For those desiring a more thorough analysis, syncing the device with the Amazfit Body Composition Analyzer mat provides a holistic overview of overall health. While the accuracy of these metrics await real-world testing, it's noteworthy that smart scales often struggle with parameters beyond weight. Nevertheless, there is a possibility that Zepp Health has fine-tuned the precision of these measurements, and we approach it with an open mind. Powering the Amazfit Balance is Zepp OS 3.0, the brand's proprietary operating system. While a thorough evaluation requires more time, my initial impressions are quite positive. The interface is clean and user-friendly, bearing a resemblance to Wear OS but drawing inspiration from the app layout of the Apple Watch. In my brief interaction with the watch, the OS had demonstrated seamless performance, devoid of any glitches. Additionally, the abundance of customization options allow you to tailor the watch to your own preferences. The Amazfit Balance boasts a spacious and vibrant display. Transitioning from the TicWatch Pro 5, I particularly value the absence of a raised bezel surrounding the screen. This design choice significantly enhances the ease of tapping on elements positioned at the screen's edges, and swipe gestures felt more intuitive and seamless. The Amazfit Balance boasts remarkable battery performance, promising approximately 14 days of usage under normal conditions. Opting for the always-on display feature will trim this to about 6 days per charge, while activating the battery saver mode can extend it to an impressive 25 days. It's essential to note that actual battery life will depend on individual usage patterns. In short, the Amazfit Balance boasts an impressive combination of attributes, as it's sleek, featherlight, and stylish, loaded with an array of fitness features, all at a highly competitive price point. Should it deliver on its promise, it has the potential to stand out as one of the most exceptional smartwatches to date. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.